Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access General. Now click on Keyboard, and as you can see, under All Keyboard section, all text correction options are available. In order to manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!